Are you looking for the best Seaknight high carbon boat fishing rod? In this video we will look at some of the best Seaknight high carbon boat fishing rods on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Telescopic Fishing Rod 2. 4 halves. 7 thirds. 0.03. 6/4 .2/4.5 meters carbon. The rod, 100 meters distance throwing rod. Lure W, 30 to 300 grams. Material, carbon fiber plus epoxy resin. Sections, 4455666. Length, 2.1 meters, 2.4 meters, 2.7 meters, 3.0 meters, 3.6 meters, 3.9 meters, 4.2 meters, 4.5 meters. Lure: 20 to 300 grams, length: 2.14.5 m. Test: 20 kilograms above. Number 2, new Seaknight high carbon boat fishing rod. This rod hardness reaches to XXXXXH, makes the drag is 50 kg, which ensures the fishing rod can easy to catch huge fish. The whole fishing rod is made of imported high carbon material, which makes the whole fishing rod is extra lighter, extra harder. This rod's all guide rings is Fuji ceramics ring. Very smooth fishing line, is not easy to tangle. Fast heat dissipation does not damage the fishing line. Number 3, 2.1 m 2.4 m carbon fishing rod. 50 kilograms. Rod: Lava Wife Age vertical bar. Best cheap fishing rod. Vertical bar, high carbon material crafted from high carbon. This rod offers exceptional strength and durability for long distance casting. 50 kilograms above test weight, tailored for the avid angler. It boasts a test weight of 50 kilograms. Ideal for reeling in big game. 2.1 m/2.4 m length. Options available in 2.1 m and 2.4 m lengths. This rod provides versatility for various fishing scenarios. Number 4, 2.14.5 m carbon fishing rod. 50 kilograms. Telescoping casting rod. Vertical bar. Best cheap fishing rod. Vertical bar, high carbon material crafted from high carbon. This rod ensures durability and resilience for anglers seeking longevity. Versatile lure weight range, designed to handle lures from 10 grams to 800 grams. This rod caters to a wide range of fishing scenarios. Telescoping design. The telescoping feature allows for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for traveling anglers. Number 5, 3.3 m 3.6 m 3.9 m 4.2 m Carp Rod. 35 kilograms. Design in conjunction with China Surf Casting Senior Rod Expert. World-class competition surf casting quality guarantee. Full length: 3.3 m, 3.6 m, 3.9 m, 4.2 m. Weight: 530 grams, 570 grams, 620 grams, 660 grams. Top diam, 3.8 mm, butt diam, 24.5 mm. Close length, 116 centimeters, 126 centimeters, 136 centimeters, 146 centimeters. Lure weight: 80 to 350 grams. Material: SK carbon fiber. Test fishing weight: 35 kilograms above.